I'm Danielle, and I'm a life coach and women's circle trainer here at Inner Glow Circle. I lead women's circles and also mentor women on how to lead women's circles. I have really found my purpose in life.
Hey Glow Getters, I'm Katie DePaula, founder and CEO of Inner Glow Circle. I want to tell you a little bit about our story. Inner Glow Circle was actually started from a tiny women's circle. Back in 2014, I was a few years into my coaching business, and I had this one bedroom, 400 square foot apartment, and I would get a few friends and a few clients to come, and what I learned was that people were really craving this in-person connection. Our tiny groups grew to 30 and 40 because they were having such a great experience that they wanted to refer their friends and have their friends attend circles. We started to bring it online, then we started to add on retreats. The point is, and I want you to really get this, that you can grow your business through leading circles and in-person events even if you don't have any experience.
Attending circles definitely changed my life. I would meet women who wanted to work together, doing one-on-one work. I've met people that helped me with my business, that I've partnered with on different projects. And then while I was leading circles is when I met Katie DePaula of Inner Glow Circle, and I ended up going through coach training, and it just expanded my business so much.
When you start working with people in person, immediately they're gonna like you and know you and trust you better, right? And we know that that's what we need to build our businesses and to keep growing. If you want to talk about the Women's Circle Leader training, go ahead and book a call with us. We'd love to talk to you about your dreams, your goals, and how you can make money doing work you actually love.